Hi guys, I hope everyone's doing well. If you've been following this project, then you're probably curious about all the components that we've been creating to build out the final piece. So let's take a look at this bead and chain attachment. So I'm using about 1.5 inches of my chain here, as well as 20 gauge wire. And I'm just putting the first chain on, and then I'm going to be loading the beads on in my desired pattern, and it's just following the pattern that I showed you earlier. With all the beads loaded on, I'm going to put the second piece of chain to the left side, and then we're going to move into securing both pieces of chain onto the beads. Here I'm just putting the 20 gauge wire all the way through all 5 of the beads, but ensuring that the piece of chain that I have on the right side is actually secured between the wire. And then I'm just going to use my pliers to pull the wire through. And it should look like this. And now we just get to do it to the other side. Then using both of my pliers, I'm going to pull each end of the wires to fully secure everything. And this is what we have so far. Then we're going to move into trimming all the wires from the ends to complete our piece. This has been a really simple and straightforward, hopefully simple and straightforward project for most of you guys. I am just learning this technique. I'm sure I've seen it several times before, but incorporating it into a piece that I'm working on, I've never actually done that before. So this has been really cool to learn and really apply to a current project. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Can't wait to see you in the next one. As always, take care. Bye.